Come on. Come on. Look at that. We are on the arrow. This is incredible. Look, I have pretty much all of 2nd Avenue to myself, except for that bus and a cab here and there. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, gentlemen. How's everybody doing on this beautiful day? Good, I hope. I'm doing great. Actually, I'm gonna go left. I was gonna go right, but I'm gonna go left. So right now I'm in Harlem. Harlem. Cruising, chilling, relaxing. Going for a little ride. I hung out with my buddy for a few hours. And now I'm gonna chill. Like I mentioned in the previous vlog, my buddy works in on Broadway at Lion King, actually, of all things. So he works from 5 until midnight or 11. So the only way for me to ever see this boy is after either after 11 o'clock at night or before noon, which is a little bit weird. Good. Thank you. Anyway, here we are. We're cruising. Going some way I have not gone before. I love it. Oh man. Beautiful. And we're passing some sort of a Popo station where there is mud. Popo, nice little 4 Series. And then we got Popo here, Popo there. We got Popo everywhere. Popo Central. I just had a coffee, so that woke me up a little bit. I realized that this morning when I was riding here, I have not had any coffee yet, so that's why I was all you know, not as animated, I would say. Perhaps that's the right term to coin. Term to coin? I don't even know if that's how one says it. It's possible. So I do have to take a left. I'm not sure if we'll see how I'm gonna handle it. Am I recording? Yes. Yes. So how is everybody doing? Has anybody been watching MotoGP? I watched free practice 1 and 2 yesterday. It was good stuff. Good stuff. Nice. Very good. So I'm trying to decide how I'm gonna handle this banana, whether I'm gonna go local or I'm gonna go on the highway. Part of me wants to go on the highway, just you know, get there quicker, but another part of me realizes that it's actually finally really warm, so I could actually just have like a fun little cruise through New York City. How about them apples? I really wish I had a nice long story to tell you guys right now, because it's a perfect day for like a nice long story, but I don't really have any stories, unfortunately. Sorry. So we'll just cruise. Look at this gorgeous city. Gorgeous Harlem. Right now we're on 120th Street. We're 100% in Harlem still. It's a beautiful place to be. Malcolm X Boulevard, Lenox Avenue. That's cool. And ahead I see there's some traffic. I'm not too familiar with the avenues around here, so it's hard for me to know exactly which way a street goes or whatever, but you know, I think I'm just gonna go straight here. I do want to go right, but I don't want to get stuck on this side of Central Park. And I definitely don't want to get stuck on like Times Square or something, because that's Tourism USA. Look at this madness. Look at this madness. I don't know what's happening here. Come on, baby. Here we are. Look at this beautiful park. Man, back in the day when I used to ride downhill and mountain bikes, I would be in this park like launching these stairs and this and that. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Nice. There's some construction on 2nd Avenue. No problem. Not worried. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down go down 2nd Avenue. I feel like that's the hot ticket. That way we'll see some action, we'll see some city, and we'll also not be stuck in tourist hell, because I just don't have the grilled cheese for that today. Whoa, look at this gravel. What are you fucking doing? People don't give up. Potato. Lexington Avenue. That's a little too narrow. It's a little too quaint. A little too quaint for my like. So I'm gotta decide if I'm gonna take the Queens Bridge or if I'm gonna take the Williamsburg Bridge. Either way, some sort of a bridge will be taken. Nice. So, how you guys doing? You tell me downstairs below how you're doing. Hopefully good. Hopefully everybody's doing all right. And I'm doing pretty good. You know, I could complain about this and that. The job's been a little tough, making me work. But at the end of the day, all good. Can't bitch, can't moan. So it's all good. And it's a Saturday, and I get to cruise around on my bike. And I think today, after this ride, I'm gonna go to Dirty Billy and install the smart turn signal brake module thing. I really think that that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what I'm gonna do. 3rd Avenue, beautiful. I'm excited to go down 2nd Avenue. It's gonna be a little bit loud, but it's gonna be all right. Oh boy. Come on, turn signal. Why are you stagnant, brah? Woo! Manhole covers. And here we go. 2nd Avenue. We're gonna take our right on 2nd Avenue. Not the problem. And we'll see what kind of cruise we're gonna have, and we'll see how we're moving. I can't imagine there being too much traffic, but then you just never freaking know with these savage New York City traffic patterns. There could be some sort of a walk or an event or party, a block party of some sort. You never know. Could happen. I like that lady's hair. It's pretty. Pretty hair. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Look at that. We are on the arrow. This is incredible. Look, I have pretty much all of 2nd Avenue to myself, except for that bus and a cab here and there. But for the most part, it's just us. Not bad. So, let's see. 1139. And we're on 119th. This cab is behind me. I'm not used to cabs matching my moves. Thank you, man. I gotta slow down a little bit because I will not be able to get through more than one light at a time without slowing way down. It's either all timed. And this is not as fun as it looks. Let's see what kind of moves it's gonna be. Don't pull out too much now, boss. Just enough. All right. So who will do the passing around here? Here we are. Not so bad. Oh, come on, dump truck. Don't do this to me. Oh boy. Here we are. '97th Street. I thought would be much farther along by now, but I guess not. Good bejesus. We are behind 2-3 lights now. Can't have that. Son of a bitch. I'm not on top of my game today. Why is there so much traffic? I am shocked. I am legit shocked at this. Sons of bitches. I don't understand why there's so much traffic on this street. Oh well. It looks like it's over in a block or two, but before it's over, you have to get there. I don't know why. You pull up over here. Bizarre. I don't understand why those cops are over there and what they are doing. Madness. Hopefully they'll let me go straight, because if I have to go left here, it will change my plans. But it's okay. Bizarre. Come on, boys. Boys in blue. Could we please go? Oh boy. Making noise. Slow down a little bit here. A little bit there. Where the hell are we? 78th Street. Still quite a bit to go. Still quite a bit to go. And it looks like the traffic is just getting crazier and crazier, which is weird for a Saturday. This city, man, this fucking town. Like, look, see? There's the fact that the cops are blocking that road over there means something. Definitely means something. Popo here, popo there, popo freaking everywhere. They keep telling me to go to freaking. You keep telling me to go to freaking. What do you call them? That's fine. They keep telling me to go to FDR, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stay the course. And I'm probably gonna take Queensbridge, however, just because Williamsburg Bridge might be too much of a pain in a patooey to get to. Come on. Here we are. Once again, we're cooking with butter on city streets. Nice. Beautiful. And that guy is on a fucking Vespa. Yes. Ray, what? You know, one thing I don't understand is like the junk mail that we get on phones now. Like, I don't understand as to why I get like an ad about Ray-Ban sale from some sketchy stranger. We'll see. Do I go over Williamsburg Bridge or Queensbridge? Probably Queensbridge. You know, I keep hearing these terrible things about Williamsburg Bridge. That what do you call it? There's like roadblocks and silly things like that, and I just don't have time for police roadblocks today. It's just not my Manfordo. Manfordo is not even a saying. It's not even a saying. Whoa, dude. Come on, buddies. Give me that sweet, sweet Queensbridge.